Ever wondered how to get stronger, denser hair naturally? Well, the secret lies in the heart of your kitchen. The benefits of banana on hair, believe us, it can work wonders. Restorative, hydrating, and delivering radiance and shine. It can also calm the scalp to combat dandruff, promote hair development, and slow hair loss. In addition, coconut oil moisturizes the leather due to its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, creating an environment conducive to hair growth. Finally, coconut oil nourishes and strengthens hair fibers, resulting in stronger and denser hair. To make this hair mask, all you need is 1 ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Start by mashing the banana into a smooth paste. Then, add the coconut oil and mix until they blend seamlessly together. The key here is to strive for a creamy consistency. This will ensure that the mask spreads evenly on your hair, maximizing the nourishing benefits it offers. And there you have it, a homemade hair mask ready to transform your hair. Now, onto the fun part, applying the hair mask. Start by sectioning off your hair. With your fingers, generously coat each section from root to tip, paying special attention to the ends, where damage often lies. Don't be afraid to use a lot, the more you apply, the better the results. Once your locks are fully masked, wait patiently for the magic to happen. Let the mask sit for about 30 minutes, letting those nutrients really soak in. After 30 minutes, simply wash your hair with a mild shampoo. This simple hair mask packs a punch. With the restorative and hydrating powers of bananas, your hair gets a dose of radiance and shine. It can even soothe your scalp, combating dandruff and promoting hair growth while slowing hair loss. And let's not forget the coconut oil. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties moisturize the scalp, fostering an environment where your hair can thrive. It nourishes and strengthens hair fibers, leading to stronger, denser hair. Give this hair mask a try and experience the natural glow up your hair deserves. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like our content, don't forget to press the like button, share the video on your networks and with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any remarks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.